am going to make journal entries to record my disbursement for my expenses. So I will open my journals, which shows my available journals. I have two: cash disbursement journal and cash receipt journal. I will choose the former, open it. The cash disbursement journal shows I have two existing entries. I will add another entries. First, to record the payment of my rental. Under the particulars, I'm gonna provide a short and concise explanation or description of the transaction. I will provide for the reference, and the entry is to debit rent expense amounting to 400 and credit cash in bank. Another entry for the payment of wages, and the entry should be debit salaries and wages and credit cash in bank. I will try to save it, but there are messages. There are two, but they are the same. The only difference is the amount and the row. The first one says general and subsidiary ledger, that is the error. And the issue is that they are not balanced, and the difference is 400, and it is at row 3. So this one, row 3. And then the other one, same issue, the same error, but the amount is 300 and it is at row 4. So I can actually double click this to go to the specific cell where the error is located, just like on the same on the just like to the other one. This error arose because I set up my cash in bank to have subsidiary ledgers, and I can see that here at my chart of accounts. Here is my cash in bank, which under the column use SL, meaning use subsidiary ledger. So I will provide for the subsidiaries. When I click the subsidiaries window, the list of subsidiaries for the cash and bank is shown. I can choose one of them, all of them, or any of them, some of them. In this transaction, I just need the local bank, so I will use the same amount as the subsidiary as the general ledger. I am done. Oh, I need to select it. I will delete this one. uh, 400. I'm done. And then for the cash in bank, for the payment of the salaries and wages, I will use two subsidiaries, local bank and the international bank. So I will divide the 300, and 200 goes to the local bank, and the remaining 100 to the international bank. So here it shows that the discrepancies between the general ledger and the total of the subsidiaries, they are now equal. So I am done. So I will save the cash disbursement journal now, and I am done. So this transaction is automatically reflected in the trial balance. So my cash in bank is reduced by the two transactions, while the rent expense and the salaries and wages are increased by the amount of the transaction. I can double click this rent expense to see the ledger. See, the rent expense, the general ledger shows the transaction, the rent expense, January 31, and the journal is the cash disbursement journal, and it is located at page 1, and here's the entry. And for the salaries and wages, this is the transaction. Thank you for watching this video.